Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I decided to bring my cat over here to say hello, but she's waiting for supper and wants to go. And in the meantime, my husband is shaving. You might hear the shaver in the background. And I love it when he's getting ready to shave, and I love the scent of his aftershave and that kind of thing. Do you want to go down now, Kitty? Say hi to my viewers. Say hello! Hello! We are here for part 3 of Nordstrom anniversary sale. And I'm going to let you go down. And there you go. I wonder how everybody is doing. Please let me know. It is super hot here. We've got the AC on. In fact, I think the lighting is off. It is so bright outside. I think this is a little bit better. It is so hot. I'm on my day off from work. I picked up a couple of pieces of clothing that I needed to get altered that I got from the anniversary sale. Plus, I wanted to do the reveal of the lipstick that finally came in from MAC. And yeah, I had to wait a very long time to get this one. And this is the back of it. It's some kind of like a lip primer and lipstick and lip gloss. So I am anxious to give this a shot. But you know, so much has gone on since I last did a video for the part 2. And I haven't filmed any other videos after that. Sorry, the lighting is going to change because the sun is coming in and out. Sorry about that. But I want to make this very, very real. And life is going on around home and that kind of thing, but we're staying indoors. It's super hot and it's so cold also in here that I get sort of like body aches from it. So it's one of those kind of things. Anyways, so much has been going on, and one of them, well, I got my eyebrows done. First time ever I got them tinted. So that is interesting. So there, I don't know if you can tell. My husband couldn't tell. It's a lot darker. I basically focused on the darkest shade of my eyebrows and asked for it to be colored all across. And I've got a visitor peeking and watching me film my video. Hi. He doesn't know if he should say anything or not. Anyways, let's show this lipstick set that I got from MAC. So this is a base, and when I show it to you, there's not much of a color. I can feel it gliding on pretty good, but it is quite warm. In fact, I'll put on my lip a little bit. I could see myself using this a lot in the fall and winter and spring season. And let me swatch the lipstick. This is what it looks like. If you can see. Well, am I putting it too low? There you go. Okay. And then I'm going to swatch that, and that's what it looks like. And I prefer this to go with the lip pencil, but I could have something. I would need a mirror. Hold on a sec. I need a little bit of a lip pencil. I'm not sure if this is the right one. And that's Pat McGrath in contour. And then the lipstick. That's what it looks like. And the packaging is really pretty. I'm sure you've seen it on other YouTubers, and I know I'm posting this very late. Sorry about that. Life goes on. I've been very, very busy, and plus I had to get some of my clothes altered. So this is a pretty packaging of that. The lip primer doesn't have pretty packaging at all. It's just all solid black. And then we've got the lip gloss right over here, and I'm going to swatch that for you. And here we go. Where can I swatch? Oh, it's kind of like a peachy gold shade. And I'm not too sure if you can tell, but I'm going to make some movements so you could see it. And I'll put some on my lips. Oh wow. It is so humid, or it's so hot. It's impossible to keep my hair straight unless I use a flat iron. And because I'm off work, I'm just enjoying the relaxing situation there. So this is what it looks like. There we go. And of course all the markings from the facial mask, but that's how I look. So that's with the new MAC lipstick set from Nordstrom anniversary sale. And let me swatch this off and I'll be right back to show what else I bought. Okay, I'm back. I just couldn't help but check in the mirror because the lighting is different over there, and I'm really loving this nude neutral lips combination. I love it, including the lip pencil that I used it with. I don't know if you can tell, I look very blotchy actually in this video, which is too bad, but cameras don't lie about the conditions of the skin when it's hot and always having to wear your mask when you're outdoors. So this is it. We are out of lockdown, as I mentioned in my 2 previous videos, that we were able to go shopping, and I released that and shared some stuff that I got with you. And now we're in the 4th wave. I think the count is over 600 one day, and then another day over 700. And usually, typically, we're in a lockdown when the numbers are around this count of the COVID for our provinces. So it's kind of pretty bad. But what can you do? So let me show you what I got. I got a couple of blouses, the exact same one at Nordstrom, and I also already got them altered, so I want to show them to you. Now, I'm very petite, curvy woman, so when I go shopping, I try to be very selective on the type of clothing that I wear. This is a loose t-shirt dress, and I got good wear out of it. In fact, I showed this to you when I first started filming my YouTube channel, and I got it at Amazon, and I like it. It would look better with a belt or something, but I think next time I'm going to focus on maybe something a little bit more cinched under the waist or around the waist, that kind of thing. But this is something that I think is excellent for someone who is petite, short like I am, and who is curvy. And what I mean by that, I have an hourglass or a pear figure. So this is the type of clothing that I would get. And this is something that it would cross over in the front, V deep neckline, and it doesn't show the bra here. So with the bras that I typically wear are usually more supportive. So this is something that I got, and what you'll notice is at the front, it gathers up right to the bottom of the blouse. And at the bottom of the blouse, it's all gathered, and it sits right at your waist, exactly at the waist. But when I slowly turn it around, you'll notice the back is longer and loose, and it's not gathered. So this would look really good with a pair of blue jeans for a casual look, and just put on a dressy blouse, or for work with a high-waisted A-line cut skirt is something I would wear with this. And then I decided to step out from my comfort zone on coloring. I typically stick with navy blue, white or cream, black and gray. And this one I thought would be a perfect accent to the wardrobe that I already have. And I got in the burgundy shade, and it looks really good on me. Now the lighting is horrible, but I'm sure I'll wear this when I film videos. But this is it. Now I think you can tell the coloring of this burgundy shade, and such a beautiful gathering at the waist. And then once we turn it around, it's very loose drop at the back. So if you're wearing, let's say, jeans or pants, it can hang out if you want, or you could tuck it in. And I just really love this. Now, this is coming from one of my absolute favorite name brands. Their jewelry, and so far I've only purchased tops. I haven't purchased any bottoms. I haven't noticed anything that I wanted to grab and buy, but this was part of the anniversary sale at Nordstrom, and the brand name is Halogen, and I really like it. I really love this. It is normal price of $70 and it went down to $40. So for work, and if I want to dress down and just put on a beautiful blouse, that is fine. It's basically polyester though, and recycled polyester, so it's not 100% silk at all. But I think this is perfect even for work, because at the office, when you're sitting at your desk, all the friction on the arms, it's going to wear out eventually. So I thought it was a really great buy. I'm really happy with it. And let me grab some of my winter clothing so you can see what it would look like with it. I have a walk-in closet, so I don't always have to pack away my winter clothes. But this skirt is really all season anyway, but it's kind of a heavy, thick material. And when I know I'm not going to wear it a lot during the spring, summer season, I usually turn it inside out and then hang it. So this is from Pink Tartan, and it's a high-waisted skirt, and then trying to picture it with this burgundy blouse, and then with this cardigan. I think it's really, really, really beautiful together, and then with this high-waisted skirt. So that's an outfit that I could wear, or maybe if I get a black cardigan to go with it to streamline it, because I am petite, and usually I try to stick with the same color tone, but something a different color underneath is beautiful to have. So that's what I wanted to share with my part 3 anniversary sale from Nordstrom. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye.